What's up, you guys? Tanaya here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you've been here, hey girl. So let's get into how to make some mega volume fans. Really excited. We are going to be using Nirvana Beauty 0.03 volume trays, which is my brand, of course. It'll be linked in the description box down below. Definitely try them out. I use them on all my clients. Love it, love it, love it. Wouldn't have created it if I ain't love it. So we're going to be using 0.03 cc curl. We are going to be using Live Bay Magnetic Vibe glue. I've been using this for a minute. I go between this glue or their low humidity glue. It's like a purple top or whatever. I like that one too because sometimes my room has low humidity. We are going to be using these pink little rings. Now they have the ridges in them. I'm going to give you all a close-up of all this too. I'm using an empty lash case. This is how I'm going to be storing my fans. When I make fans, I store them in trays and I put my fans in them and I save them for later, okay? I have a little glue top wipe here, and then I have my tweezers here. But let me give you all a close-up of what we're going to be using, and then we're going to get right into it. Alright, so these are the lashes we're going to be using, 0.03 cc, and we're probably going to use, I don't know, maybe we should use either the 12 or 13 in here. But again, this is on shopnirvanabeauty.com. Go check out your girl's lashes. Tell me how you like them. This is the tweezer that I'm going to be using. I had this for a while. I actually got this for free from a lash brand. I forgot the name though, so I can't tell y'all. Oh wait, it says right here, Beyond Beauty Bar. Okay. Now I have these glue rings, got them off Amazon, but I love the ridges in them, especially for mega volume. Really cool, really helpful. And then this is just my empty lash tray. Now this has foam tape inside of it, so as you can see, it's kind of lifting. I gotta press it in a little more, but this is foam tape. So this is how your foam tape roll looks. You can get this off Amazon. It's 3M microfoam, as you can see in there. Just type that on Amazon and then you'll have your tape. And then this is just to wipe the glue nozzle. And speaking of glue, we're using the Live Bay Magnetic Vibe glue today. Now I'm gonna take these out. Let me just use, this is 13. I'm gonna just finish this little strip right here. I'm gonna just put it on top like that. This has the sticky back. I love the backs like this and not the paper ones because you can just re-stick them so easily. Pop them in, pop them out. They don't cause any mess. So yeah, that was important to me to have. Put my glue ring on. I don't use glue rings when I lash my clients. I really don't. I just have this fear that the glue is gonna spill out, so that is why. Don't judge my glue top. I need to change it. I'll probably change it today. How often do you guys change your glue tops? Because I feel like I need to change my glue tops weekly at this point, just to keep them like always looking clean and good and stuff like that. Just to make sure they're like nice, because I don't like when they look ugly. But that's just me. Comment down below how often y'all change your glue tops. I'm curious from other lash babes. Alright, so I'm gonna take my tweezers. I'm gonna do a few practice ones first, but I barely have any glue in here. You really don't need a lot of glue when you're storing the fans. Like, you literally just want a little tiny dab of glue. Now I've already pinched it a little bit. Now I'm just gonna dip it in the glue and I'm gonna put it into the ridge here. I'm still holding on, loosening up my grip a little bit. And here is my cute little mega volume fan. Now I'm gonna zoom you guys in more so you can see even better. Alright, so taking my tweezers, y'all are real zoomed in, y'all about to see this in action. So once I lift up, I slide my tweezer all the way through. I'm getting it to where like my tweezer is at the sweet spot where the grip is the tightest, and then I'm like slowly pulling up off of the thing. Let me do that one more time. Pulling up. Okay, so this is a better view. This is what I have right now. So basically, I am going to pinch this out. Okay, I'm gonna dip this in my glue here. And I'm using this ridge to kind of give me a little better base. I'm loosening up my grip just a bit. And there is my fan, as you can see, and I'm gonna just set it aside. Oh, I hate when this happens. So I'm glad this happened. So basically, I need to add more glue in my ring because I got glue on the tweezer and it fell apart. So let me put some more glue in here. So sliding my tweezer through, picking it up. So this is what I picked up. I'm just gonna pull out those lash hairs that aren't following the crowd. Okay, now I'm gonna begin to pinch. I'm gonna slide my tweezer up some. And let's pinch. I'm gonna dip it in the glue just a little bit. Use this to ridge it out. There we go. And this is, and this is my Mega Volume fan right here. Sliding my tweezers in there. Filling it up. So this is what I have right now. A little messy, but I'm gonna pinch it and see if I can like save the other hairs if they get in line. If they don't, you can always pull them out. But let's see if we can get this in line because it's already a little messy there at the base. So I'm gonna dip it in the glue. I'm gonna loosen up my grip. Yeah, so this one got in line a little bit. It got in line a little bit. So let's make another one. That one I kind of risked it because you kind of want the base to be like straight so you can get a nice clean fan. Be easy to make. So like these, I'm just gonna pull out. You guys can still see me, right? I'm gonna pinch. Add a little bit of glue there. Now sometimes like when you add the glue, it just snatches everything together. And there we go. All right, let's do this another time. Might as well just finish off the row. All right, so you see this one is good. The bottom is like straight. There's no like hairs all out and over the place. It is pretty straight. So I'm just gonna pinch this. Make sure you guys can still see me. Okay, just gonna pinch this, fluffing it out. Now I want to slide my tweezers up so I don't get any glue on them with this, but you see it's already starting to separate since I did that, so be careful. I'm gonna dip it in the glue. Let's see if I can save it because it started to get a little messy. And I have saved it, honey. And she is there. I'm gonna do it another time. All right, so you see another clean grab. We're gonna pinch again. I love the pinch method. This is the main way that I make my fans, honestly. It's the only way I make my fans. Dip it in a little bit of glue there. Use this to save her, clean her up. See if we can save her. She's a little messy on the side, so I'm trying to save it. It looks like it's getting saved. And our fan is there. And we'll do this one last time. Again, I'm trying to just finish off this row here, might as well. And then I can use this on a client if I get a mega volume who wants shorter lengths. Again, another nice little clean grab. The bottom is pretty straight. I got one little flyaway there, but I think it can be saved. We're gonna pinch. We are going to pinch there. Let's get a little glue. Let's see if we can straighten her out, clean her up. And she is getting cleaned up. And there she is. There she is. Alright, so here are some of the mega volume fans that we made using 0.003 cc curl Nirvana Beauty. shopnirvanabeauty.com. So not too bad. The glue ring definitely helps out a lot. Okay, you guys, so that wraps up my video on how to make mega volume fans. So I hope this video helped you guys. And this is in regular 0.03. If you struggle using regular volume lashes, try fast fanning lashes and get those bases as slim as you possibly can until you get to use regular volume. Okay, so I hope that video helped you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.